I think there are a striking number of parallels between where we were at the peak of the Cold War and where we are now. And one of them was that around 1960, we got back a sense of purpose and self-confidence and energy in waging this ideological struggle. And it's a struggle for freedom, for the open society, for the equal worth of every human being, and against all these sources of illiberal ideas, whether they're radical Islamist, whether they come in the Kremlin version of a kind of white Christian conservative nationalist European stand against the rest of the world, or whether they come in the form of, if not communism, then the China model of authoritarian capitalism being superior. People actually do not want to live in an authoritarian surveillance state where they have no freedom, no privacy, and can be sent to a concentration camp at any point. And if we can't make that work for us in this next round of global competition, we are doing something deeply wrong or ill-conceived.